So now I'm holding the ball holder that it can dry for, I hope, not too long time. And then the most stuff is fixed. And also the chain here is adjusted because the chain was hooked in too close. So it couldn't open or even reach the hole below that the water getting blocked. No. Just takes a bit time, not so difficult fix, but it was good that we had since yesterday it dried out, so I could attach directly the glue and just wait for getting it right. Looks good. Let's see. Now I need to remove the tape and then it should get fit. Here we have the ball now stuck in the holder, and here it's going up, and for a small, only like this. Maybe adjust it a little bit more, 1 or 2 pearls higher, then it can open a little bit more for the small flash, as you can see here. And for the big one, it's open already complete. Maybe 1 more, then it's fine.